sometimes we all need a reminder to slow down and smile. I'm going to use these little crocheted sloths as a tiny but mighty reminder for some buddies that we have to brighten their day. They're tucked away in a cute little bag. Just take it out. And it's now an emotional support kind of sloth. Handmade with sweet details. It sits about a little under 3 inches. Soft yarn, pocket size, filled with encouragement. It says, little reminders from a tiny sloth. You are enough. It's okay to have a bad day. You are so very loved. Be kinder to yourself. And finally, don't believe everything you think. This little guy will fit in a pencil case, or he can sit on a desk. I love the positive message, and it's surprisingly heartfelt, but this is a kind, small, inexpensive way that just says, hey, a gentle reminder, you're doing good, you got this. Highly recommend. These are so cute.